Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your OS and which terminal you use. This matters because files differ. Once confirmed, backup current config. Copy the .dot files to a folder so you can revert. Next, install any needed tools. Homebrew on Mac OS, your distro package manager on Linux, or the Windows Package Manager. These first steps give you a safe baseline and the utilities required to change themes without breaking your workflow. Now choose a theme that suits contrast and accessibility. Pick Solarized, Dracula, Grovebox, or a custom JSON palette. Then edit the terminal's config file, open settings. JSON or append export commands in, bashrc/, zshrc, or import the theme through the app's preferences. Apply font and ANSI color tweaks so glyphs render correctly. Once done, reload the terminal or restart the app. Make sure the colors finish by saving your updated configs, and if useful, commit them to Git for version control. Test the theme across common utilities, ls, top, vim, tmux, and remote ssh, to ensure consistent coloring and legibility. If something breaks, first verify the term environment variable and that your terminal supports 256 or TrueColor. Then confirm you edited the correct config file and reloaded it. One key troubleshooting tip. If colors are wrong, switch term to xterm 256 color and retest.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.